Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we put together this little contact form here using contact form 7. And I thought it'd be a nice idea, if you wanted to put a full width Google map on the bottom of your site. Now this is an e-commerce store, so I guess some people wouldn't want to do that, but if you do, it's really easy to do. Go over to Google. I'm simply going to type in maps. Click on Google Maps. Now I don't have an address, so I'm going to put in the White House just for an example. And there we have it. Now you can scroll out to where you kind of want your map to be. I think we'll do something like that. Now, to insert this map as full width, I want to hit the share button. I want to say embed a map. And they've got the code for us right here. It's an iframe. So we'll copy the HTML. Just hit that, it'll copy it all for you. Now we've got the code, we can go back to our site. Let's edit this page with Elementor. Just hit the button. I've got mine open already here. So let's go down and let's put a new section in right here. So I'm going to hit the plus, I'm going to hit a single column, single section. We've got a new section right here. I want the content to be full width. And inside it, let's go back to our matrix, I'm going to use a code module. We've been putting this site together with the free Elementor, so we'll continue to do that today. So we'll skip past the pro modules and go down to some more general modules, and somewhere down here we've got a code module, an HTML module. So I'm going to left click and drag it and just drop it where I want it, which is right there. And inside I'm going to paste my map code. And there it is. Simple as that. We've now got a full width map on our site. Now I don't particularly want any gap on the top and the bottom. So we'll go to our section, we'll go to advanced, and padding, I want to make sure there's no padding anywhere, so I'm going to put a 0 in there. If you've got that link checked, it'll do all 4 of them at once, top, right, bottom and left. There we go. There still seems to be a little bit there, and I think that's in the row itself, which is this dark icon right here. So if we left click on that, now we're in the column. Again, we'll go to advanced, do the same thing, make sure there's no padding. And that's it, that buffered it up against the top and the bottom. So let's save our changes, update the page there. Now when we're happy, we can hit the little preview icon and preview the site. And if we go down, we've now got a full width Google map on our site. And if you only want it a specific height, you can change the code quite easily. And you can use control and scroll to zoom in and zoom out. So it really is a live map. You can get directions. So let's go back. So let's go back into our module. And we'll take a look at the code. We've actually got a width here. I just highlight that, of 600 and a height of 450. So I'm going to change the width to 100%. So that's going to make sure it stretches to the whole width of whatever screen we're looking at. Let's change the height to 400. 400. And now let's update and have a look at our changes. Let it reload there. And there we go. We've now got a full width section that's 400 high and full width, whatever device you're looking at it on. And again, hit the control and it's fully scrollable. So there's how to add a full width Google map to your Elementor site. So I hope you found that useful and enjoyed it. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.